let me now explain the practical organization of this course. So this course is part of a larger effort. In fact, UCL has joined the edX consortium. edX, which is the consortium of massive open online courses initiated by MIT. So UCL is one of 3 European universities that recently joined this consortium. So we will be making massive open online courses and experimenting with this new way of teaching. And so in the first year, UCL will make 4 courses which have the label Louvain X. So the X at the end means it's part of the edX consortium. So the way it works is that in the fall semester, we will make the first edition of this course, which is called Paradigms of Computer Programming, and you will be the guinea pigs. You, students of the second year in the engineering school, will follow the first edition of this course, and it will be private only for the students. So this is called a SPOC, a small private online course. You will all be following this. And then in the spring, we will make the second edition, which is actually open, the massive open online course version. So in some sense, your feedback then is very important for us to make this course very well. So you're part of the ones experimenting with this new way of making courses. So this means that we will change the organization of Informatique 2, the course that's being taught now in the fall, and we will teach it in 2 tracks that are parallel. So the first track will be the SPOC, completely self-contained. Each SPOC will have 1 lesson per week, and then a restructuring in the lecture I will give, and then practical work in the lab session. And this will go on till the end. The second track will give additional material. So the SPOC only has 3 credits. It does not have all the material of the course. So the additional material will complete this, so the course will have 5 credits as usual. So every week then, before the lecture, there will be a lesson, a MOOC lesson, and you are supposed to do this at home, this MOOC lesson. And that's the first thing. So we will make statistics of this so that when you arrive during the lecture, you should have already done the MOOC lesson and all the exercises and so on that are connected to it. Okay, so these exercises are different kinds. There is simple multiple choice. There's also Pythia exercises. Pythia is a tool that lets you write programs and gives you feedback on the errors. And then there's also exercises that are more complicated using the Mozart system, which is the programming system we use in the course. Sometimes we will make discussion forums for particular concepts where the students can discuss. You can discuss among yourselves, and we will also participate in this, myself and the teaching assistants. So that is all how we're going to organize the first track. The second track is independent of this, is giving supplement. And the way it works is that each lecture I will give supplement material, and then in the lab just after that you will be doing exercises on the supplemental material. And regarding the grading, this course will be graded as before. So the grading will be done partly on your participation in the SPOC. You will get a bonus if you participate, you do the lesson every week, a penalty if you do not do the lesson. And other than that, there will be a midterm, interrogation, near the middle. There will be also a project and an exam. These are part of the supplement track and are not part of the SPOC. So that's how the things work. And now we can get on to the practical.